ayizivele inkosi yoshulu
Mshiyano matageni Mshiyano matageni Sombona sibuya Kwakukamalini umatageni Anizeneno Wozani belungu Sondelani belungu Mshiyano matageni Sombona sibuya Zewushaya enhlanezwe Thathani ihlangu zenu Snikele khona Wozani madlakusha Nangulomlungu Zala mlungu
she hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart, oh. Full force and she got me like I be like, why you so fine? Got to make you mine. So hard to find. Baby like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it and she ain't even show nothing. She been walking around so confident, so heaven sent. I think she was meant to knock them daylight. Girl, you so fine. Girl, you rockin' like baby, so fine. Miss Baby, girl, you knockin' dead. She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the heels of the slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they went to sin, talking deadly sin with Mrs. Lady. I don't understand why she hit them like. Girl, you knock 'em dead. How you do the thing you do? Baby, you knock 'em dead. I'm already said that.
Ooh, it's pretty at the end.